We're back in it. Oh, is it?
I ran out of effect. All right, cool.
Buddy, no.
No.
Excuse me.
I'm gonna shit my whole ass out. What is keep happening?
I'm just that good.
God. We're gonna Elmer J. Fudd over here.
He owns a mansion and a yacht, you know?
It's true.
Ah, there goes the neighborhood. Char-boiled burgers.
God,
Oh.
there's no fucking way.
Nice.
Man, PM, you just suck.
I do. Oh, okay. I didn't think it'd be that easy.
Can't let PM win.
It's my first fucking point, all right?
No, you fool!
Jordan, oh my god.
Oh.
Are you fucking...
I don't even know what the fuck I picked. I picked up some sort of gun that did nothing. Scary.
You got lucky. You got lucky, punk.
Man, PM, we're trying to sabotage our wins. What's going on? Yeah. Are you Jesus Christ?
Your dead ass
That
hand?
Thank
was
you for giving me my
awesome.
sword.
No.
You're the code of Bushido.
You gotta be fucking kidding me.
Where am I?
I don't know what that is.
That's a good question. I think you're dead. No, you're alive somewhere.
Wait, I'm glitched in the floor.
Press your ragdoll.
Oh, yeah. Oh.
Oh, fuck.
The fuck was that?
Carl, I swear to fucking God, you're the only person that actually kills me in this
God
game.
damn it!
Good, that's what you fucking get.
Everybody. Stop hitting him to win!
No?
Alright, that's fair. This done.
Oh, I didn't know you could reload that.
No! A gentleman's duel it is.
Do 10 paces.
10 bouncies.
I was not allowed my 10 bouncies.
The headshot! God damn! Metty's won this. Metty won this immediately. No contest.
Are you sure?
Metty's won this.
God damn.
Metty's in the lead. That's crazy. It's a huge lead.
All right.
Oh, I'm out. Oh, you...
Damn. If that only went a little bit further.
Duck's over here just like... Where you from, boy?
That actually
Damn.
fucking worked. Holy
That worked.
shit.
I hate that that worked. Good job.
Wild.
Yeah, get fucked, Jordan.
Ah!
No, no.
That's bullshit. I had a rock. Should have broken the chainsaw.
Legendarily.
Yeah, I got fucked.
Will the Jordan win? Oh, damn. Look at that. Crazy. Fuck him up, Jordan. Kill him. His whole fucking plan.
Stop throwing your weapon, PM.
It's very hard.
PM.
No.
Oh, oh god. Oh god. That's terrifying. No!
The code of Bushido.
The glass.
I just snapped!
God fucking damn it.
Man, Pim, you're bad at this.
I need to change my fucking fire button to not be so close to the throw button.
I hate this map.
No, I hate you so much. I fucking hate you so much. I fucking hate you so much.
No, evaporated. Oh god.
Goodbye, gentlemen. Oh, goodbye.
So surprised his hamburger fell off.
Ragdoll out of nowhere.
Reading hymns. Leave me alone.
No, 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 no. Oh.
You gotta be fucking kidding me. I hate these guns so much. God fucking...
Oh man, reflexes can't handle this youthful energy.
It's true. This game's a little too twitchy for my liking.
Well, I was like right on you. What the fuck?
I was inside of you.
Stop that. That's creepy.
Don't.
PM, you're so bad. Jesus.
I didn't think
Jordan's turned on
exactly
fucking
so.
MLG Halo player mode.
Jesus Christ.
Christ alive.
Look at all those ducks.
Wow, normal ass ducks. It's all normal ass ducks.
Good lord. All right, don't let him win.
It's could have been
Not even
prevented. Could have been prevented even if you stop
Wait,
doing this
wait,
to us.
wait.
Wait, yeah, we gotta. Hang on.
Oops.
Can I be the drummer? Wait, here we go. I'm gonna play the sax. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. What a good level.
Where am I? Oh, okay.
Oh, that was MLG.
Well,
You're both out.
what the fuck?
We're stuck.
No, I shot him.
It's fine.
Metty, the victor that we all deserved.
Hello, Gordon.
What?
Legendary.
I'm an idiot.
Oh, God.
I'm alive. I swear to God Almighty! I swear to God Almighty!
You really are becoming a
No.
born again.
Dude, Jordan, this is the absolute perfect definition of boomer button.
Oh, did you see that I was? Oh no.
The code of Bushido.
I forgot to mention that I was getting boomer buttons in Legends Arceus.
Uh-huh.
Because opening the Pokemon menu is on push up the D-pad.
All right, PM. If Jordan wins this, it's
wins,
all on
yeah.
you.
I know.
It's your fault. You will have to live with that for the rest of your life.
Oh, fuck that about. Oh, okay. Yeah, I did it! I did it!
Oh, I hate this.
I'm just gonna vibe here.
I tried really
tried.
hard.
Oh,
I hoped you'd gone into the lava.
I was trying. Woo! I feel God. Ah!
Yes!
Some scary ass shit.
I'm scary.
God damn it. PM, you're fucked.
I know. I'm super fucked. He's got infinite range and I have no range at all, and I keep throwing my fucking weapon.
Well, you threw it all away, PM. You fool.
You gotta
PM,
be fucking kidding
PM,
me.
you
How
are
is he
so
aiming up
unlucky.
like that?
PM, you're just the worst.
You aim up when you're gliding down.
Or when you're up against a wall.
Naruto.
Oh no, I wanted that. Oh no.
Why'd you do that?
No, no.
Oh, hi, cat.
Nice.
You
Cut
did
that.
it.
Cut that. Cut that out.
So
Cut
proud
that
of
out.
you. Cut out, that, yeah. Okay. Why, though? We've said way worse.
Watch out, he's got a minigun.
Saved you.
Please! Please!
No! You can have it. That's fine. That was so funny. What ho?
Don't let Jordan
What
get there.
ho-ho bag?
Oh, that's it.
Oh, right.
The gun worked.
What ho, bag?
No! God.
What hole?
Got him.
Excuse. What? There
Go
is a-
ahead,
Fight me on this
go,
field
go.
of honor.
My friend. You are my friend.
Oh.
And Metty wins.
No.
Congratulations, Metty, on your excellent, perfect win.
Thank you. I earned
You
this
did
the hard way.
fantastic.
I actually almost won.
You did great, Metty. Look at that. Perfect win, Metty.
I
Excellent
won.
win.
I won. I
So
win. I
proud
win.
of
I get
Metty.
$100. I win. I win. I get $100. I win. I win. I get $100.
What is
I win.
that?
I win.
Are you all right?
I win. Germa. I win. I win. I win.
I'm unfamiliar with that body of work, but sure.
I win. I win.
You want to see me do a funny little tumble? Hi, Jordan. It's just a game, dude. You gotta calm down. Listen.